Hello, all. Welcome back. This is the third part of cybersecurity interview questions series. The first question: explain how DNS tunneling works and how it can be mitigated. DNS tunneling is a method attackers use to exfiltrate data or establish command and control C2 channels by encoding malicious data in DNS queries and responses. Since DNS traffic is typically allowed through firewalls, it becomes a covert channel for data transfers. Mitigation techniques: monitor DNS traffic from anomalies such as irregular query patterns or unusual domain lengths. Use DNS firewalls or security solutions that inspect DNS payloads. Restrict outbound DNS traffic to known trusted DNS servers. Implement anomaly detection with machine learning tools. Second question: describe buffer overflow attacks and prevention mechanisms. A buffer overflow occurs when a program writes more data to a buffer, temporary storage area, than it can hold, causing data to overwrite adjacent memory. This can lead to crashes or code execution by attackers. Prevention mechanisms: use modern programming language with built-in memory safety, example Python, Java. Apply bounds checking and input validation in low-level languages. Enable data execution prevention, DEP, and address space layout randomization, ASLR. Use compiler security features like stack canaries. Next question: what is ARP poisoning and how can it be prevented? ARP poisoning or spoofing is a network attack where attacker sends false ARP messages associating their MAC address with the IP address of another device, typically the gateway to intercept or manipulate traffic. Prevention methods: implement dynamic ARP inspection, DAI, or switches. Use static ARP entries where possible. Employ port security on network switches. Monitor ARP traffic for anomalies. Next question: discuss methods to secure API against common vulnerabilities. API security best practices: enforce strong authentication and authorization. Validate and sanitize all inputs. Implement rate limiting to prevent abuse. Use HTTPS to encrypt data in transit. Regularly perform security testing like penetration tests and fuzz testing. Apply the OWASP API security top 10 as a guideline. Fifth question: how do you identify and mitigate advanced persistent threats, APTs? Identification of these threats: use threat intelligence feeds to stay informed on known APT groups. Deploy SIEM systems, example Splunk, for anomaly detection. Conduct endpoint detection and response monitoring. Mitigation: apply network segmentation and zero trust principles. Regularly patch systems and vulnerabilities. Conduct threat hunting exercises. Maintain detailed logs and conduct forensic analysis after incidents. Strategy: conduct practical labs and use real labs studies to illustrate your understanding. Next question. How do you secure AWS or Azure or GCP environments? Apply the principle of least privilege across all services. Enable multi-factor authentication for all accounts. Use cloud-native security tools. Example, AWS Guard Duty, Azure Security Center. Encrypt data at rest and in transit. Monitor and log all activities using CloudTrail, Azure Monitor, or Stackdriver. Next question. Explain identity and access management best practices in the cloud. Implement role-based access control, RBAC. Enforce MFA for all privileged accounts. Use service accounts for applications with restricted permissions. Regularly audit IAM policies and review permissions. Rotate credentials and keys frequently. Next question. What are common security pitfalls in cloud migration? Misconfigured storage buckets or permissions. Lack of encryption on sensitive data. Adequate identity and access controls. Insufficient visibility and monitoring. Neglecting shared responsibility model obligations. Next question. Describe the shared responsibility model in cloud computing. The shared responsibility model defines the security responsibilities between the cloud provider and the customer. Cloud provider, they secure the underlying infrastructure like hardware, software, and networking. Customers' responsibilities for securing data, user access, applications, and configurations. How do you implement secure cloud architecture? Use multi-layered security controls, defense in depth. Implement network segmentation and firewalls. Enforce IAM best practices. Enable encryption for data at rest and in transit. Integrate continuous monitoring and compliance checks. So that's all in this part of cybersecurity job interview question and answers. And all the best for your job interview. Please subscribe this channel and click bell icon. So the future interview question answers and other materials would reach you in time. Thank you.